Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I follow one of the most amazing artists I've ever seen on Instagram. His name is Zoran Blitz, and he made this version of Jack Skellington, and I thought I would recreate it today because someone else suggested that I do a Nightmare Before Christmas look anyway, and I thought that this was a really cool way to do it. So if you want to know how I recreated this today, then keep on watching. So I already covered up my eyebrows very poorly at that. I know you can still see them, but it doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to prime my skin with my Benefit Professional Primer, like usual. For foundation, I'm actually going to mix my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick and my BH Cosmetics White Concealer because I want my skin to be as white as possible, but still not like cakey. So I think mixing them together will make it a nice skin tone. The sponge is back, so we're going to go ahead and blend this out with my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to set everywhere with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. And I'm going to apply it with my E48 brush. For my neck, I'm going to use my Morphe M527 brush. Now with a black liquid lipstick and an M250-1 brush, I'm going to begin mapping out our nose, mouth, and eyes. The nose I'm just going to do now because that's really easy. Now the mouth is just like, it has little veiny lines coming out of it, so I'm going to do that with my little detailing M251 brush and that same black liquid lipstick. Alright, the mouth is done, so now I'm going to map out the eyes with the same liquid lipstick. This look is very simple, in my opinion. Now I'm going to use Urban Decay's Blackout on an M166 brush and fill in the eyes. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I feel like I'm in a band.